We are unveiling the PS5. Be a spaceship, maybe? Another box. Such tricksters at PlayStation. Instructions. Who needs those, right? And we have the PlayStation 5 controller. What else do we have here? HDMI cable. That comes with the beer. Thanks, Sony. The USB drive, forgot what it's called. Okay, here we go. Wow. This is amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, here you have it. You got the PS logo here, and it's 10 times the size of a PlayStation 4. This console is the first PlayStation with a standalone router. There's also solar power. It's also a microwave and a printer. And the controller comes with the bottle opener in the back. Yep. Good deal, guys. And this concludes our unveiling of the PS5 at the House of Penguins. Cheers and happy holidays.